In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Google Analytics account number. Understanding where to locate this information is crucial for managing your online presence and keeping track of your site's performance. Whether you're handling this for your own site or managing it for a client, knowing where your account number is can help you ensure that all tracking is set up correctly. First, you'll want to navigate to the Google Analytics website. Open your preferred browser and type in analytics.google.com. If you aren't already signed in, make sure to use the correct Google account credentials associated with the Analytics account you want to access. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. On this dashboard, look to the lower left corner of your screen where you'll find the admin gear icon. Click on it to enter the admin section of Google Analytics. This is where you can manage all your account settings, including finding your account number. Now, as you look at the admin interface, you'll see several columns laid out. These columns typically display account, property, and view. In the account column, find the drop-down arrow right next to the account name. Go ahead and click on it. This will display a list of all the accounts you have access to, which allows you to choose which particular account you need details about. Once you have clicked the drop-down and identified the right account, look for the arrow icon that points to the right and click it. What this action does is transition you from simply seeing a list of your accounts to delving deeper into the account settings. This section often holds more detailed information you'll need, including access to user settings and permissions. With this done, you should now be looking at a broad list of menu options. The next item you should click on is Account Details. This section gives a more comprehensive view of your account, listing all significant identifiers and settings. After opening the account details, you're nearly at the finish line. Here you'll find the account ID, or simply the account number. It's usually displayed prominently within the account settings page. This number is critical for any custom reporting or adjustments you may need to make. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've now located your Google Analytics account number. Keep it safe and, more importantly, ensure that when sharing this information, it's with trusted individuals to protect your data integrity. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped simplify the process for you. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more insights into effectively utilizing digital tools.